Welcome back, everybody. The news they tell us say Nigerian service chief meets to review security strategies. Nigeria service chiefs meet to review security strategies. Every time that they meet, but their meeting not they bring out any good thing. Nobody in that country, I repeat, that country as BC in Nigeria that they call Amabi, no one with this APC and PDP political parties when go fit quench all these troubles where we get in Nigeria. If they like, may they still go import another Jubricom. When we rule that country, the country go dey where it dey forever and ever. Some people they tell us see the 1999 constitution say na fraud. Now them when they there, now them they come they tell us all these things. They won't go back to the constitution where they get even before the war. Say because this constitution when they grant today not be the constitution where they're supposed to use to the work. And I make things not a work. In fact, Comrade Omo Elisha done yarn all this matter longer ago. Very, very long ago. But everything when those men talk, like Omo Elisha, as the man take talker, now so things just be. Only thing be say, our people won't be Nigerian people. They like Wayo too much. They love Wayo too much. They not want face the truth. When they see the truth, then they go tell people the wrong thing. Showore don't talk this constitution matter. Say na fraudulent constitution for a very long time. Now, some group of politicians they want to be talk the matter. But their own way where they take talk am. Now still Wayo they want to do. If at all they want rewrite the 1999 constitution. Look at somebody like Abdulsalami Abubakar. When no go primary school, now them write the constitution for Nigerian people. Where they take the deal with Nigerian people now. Abina amend when they amend them. Una know say that the man now hand over to civilian government. That's what it today. You see the chopper. And if you ask them, they will tell you say they not be politicians. But 247 that they dine and wine with their imported fellow when they fast rock. So they don't tell us say na so meeting they go continue to dey meet even after 2023 because lack of solutions. They not get how they want to solve the problem of insecurity in Nigeria. Many problems for that country. That's why they tell us say now only God will intervene when Nigeria go take better. And the only way when Nigeria go take better, that country, one of us the concern Nigeria where we come from. Now the disintegration of that country. Now the division of that country. That be the only hope for people. If you the hope say get one APC or get one PDP or get one political party in that country, when we can save your life, brother, you dey kill your time. Or when we can change things, or when we give you what you want in that country, as that Nigeria be so, ladies and gentlemen, you dey kill your time. Check am now where Atiku Abubakar, old man, see the talk say he wants to contest. And the youths them dey. And then they tell us say they don't do not too young to run. And then when the young guys come out, then we'll use police and army and channel television, John Momo to the intimidate people when one contest. They're going to use DSS to the intimidate the young ones. Now Atiku Abubakar son, the bag say in Papa once he come out in 2023. So you see, say all the whole meeting, when the Nigerian service chief that they go, all of them are in vain because the person when they paddle the ship, not the paddle and right. In other words, the way when Aso Rock day to day, that is the way when the service chief that they take work because I know see no commander in chief. So all the whole thing what they do, then go meeting here, then go security meeting, then won't strategize, they won't do this, all na fraud. So if not be fraud now, why somebody like the Borata when they say I be their boss, the boss of all bosses, the military boss, today we not see him again. But I will come tomorrow tell us Borata day, but we not see this man again. Before the man they come out. Now we not see him again. Based on the same way you tell me how that country will take better. So all this meeting where they go, not in vain, brother. Nothing will come out of it. All now money making machine level within they. Both the army, all of them, they don't go out of line. President, that one, we don't know where that one there. But then some people they talk see you don't go out of line or in the out of touch or is it the invisible. We don't know the word where we use for Buhari again. But nothing when even APC and PDP members never call him. Including that in friends where they call Buba Galadima. Including the whole Northerners now, they don't turn against their Buhari, where they see Buhari won't save them. They don't know say that Buhari can't kill them. So Nigerian Chief of Defense Staff Abayomi Olu-Nisikin on Tuesday, June 23, held a security meeting with other service chiefs at the defense headquarters. Olu-Nisikin in a tweet disclosed that the meeting, which was also attended by other heads of security agencies, was meant to review strategies in combating security challenges in the country. How many times when they do this meeting? How many times when they do one meeting? They do one meeting 100 times. One meeting pertaining one thing. They have been called for the security chiefs to resign over the security challenges in Nigeria. We don't tell them before whether the security chiefs then resign or whether they bring new one or still the same thing. Resigning not be the matter. The matter when they be see how una want take defeat this insecurity challenges in Nigeria. Not be to resign be the matter because if you still bring new ones, now still the same thing them be. Now still the same people they control them. Now still the same Buhari government. So what is the point? Not be to resign will make them defeat Boko Haram or Hesmin, although we know say that they fight Hesmin, or Ansaru people, or ISWAP, not because say the security chiefs them resign. The only way we want to take defeat these people, not be all this too much meeting one that they go want to eat any food. The only way not to re-strategize. That's the point. So now the matter one concern the service chief and all of them. That okay. So a lot of things that happen in that country were not they in place when they're supposed to put in place. A lot of things that happen in APC and PDP. These people, when we politicians and the court where they go, they get too much problems. Everything in Nigeria is push. We did not seal APC secretariat, Nigerian police. Another one they tell us a court order. My opponents are trying to destabilize PDP. Obaseki. Maybe we'll talk a little bit again on this Obaseki and the Edo State people matter. Recently, all of us here where they tell us say the Obaseki himself say in don't the camp. I be not be the camp that they call them, not the camp now. I been around and around come on from APC. I know all of them they jump like cricket from APC to PDP, PDP to APC, APC to PDP, PDP to APC. You understand? And as soon as they run up on now, a whole governor now at the camp. After 4 years, when they don't serve in one particular political party, now the man they run come out, go there. That's why they tell them say APC and PDP. That is them be 5 and 6. Then they claim say them be enemies. That they not be enemies. Them be cool friends. When they know waiting that they do to you won't be gullible Nigerian person. Then they claim say that they fight. Obaseki and Oshomola they fight. Before when Obaseki did APC, other political opponents, when they PDP, they fight them. And then they fight them as well. As in political level, ladies and gentlemen, no, I not say that they said blow. No, political level. Now, the same PDP people, when they don't curse, when they don't talk, say PDP, then be failure. PDP, then be this. Atiku Abubakar, then be that. Today, now the PDP when they don't enter. He never even pronounce say he won't enter PDP. They don't already spread their hand. Welcome on. Today now, they tell us now him go be PDP governorship or gubernatorial candidate as they call her. Now, better they tell us that they fight. Tomorrow now, you go see the man, the same man, you go see run come back APC. When in with this is social media that they fight to according to their claim. Because these people are friends, when we the two giant political parties where we get in Nigeria ask, then they claim, say now them be the only political party in Nigeria that people will recognize. These people that they claim say that they fight, but them be one. That is why progress no go ever come to that country. That is why once again they remove Ihedioha, PDP people, then chuck him. They're not talking into it. That is why they remove the other man when be the former Chief Justice. Nobody. Yeah. That is why you see the man what they call Adeleke, the Davido uncle or Davido brother or his cousin. Any way you want to call that man. Call him the dancing senator. They tell us the man is forging certificate to acquire position from APC or PDP when it come from. Today, una hear the case. I be the man winning with the quanta. When the man non win, according to them, I be na him non win. They call say na him win, and the other man say na him win. At the end of the day, the case na yawa. When I hear them again, where they talk about Adeleke. Recently, now we see the case, they don't drop him. That is why somebody go thief trillions from our treasury. Everybody go quiet. They don't go probe the person. That is why people like Issa Fatwa, all of them, they go free. Aisha Buhari them, Atiku them. Osibanjo, all of them, they go scot-free. Look at those Ojos Okalo, what they tell us, say they jail those Okalo for 12 fucking years. Ladies and gentlemen, today Ojos Okalo is out because of their wuru, because of their APC and PDP things. What did they do? Somebody want to tell us, say, court don't jail person, don't jail the person be that. They know they reverse that verdict again. Why can't be say court don't jail this Ojos Okalo for 12 fucking years? Before you know what thing they happen, Ojos Okalo is out. Which kind of law is in that country? But people want thief banana. You know, they give them 100 years. They go remain there. Some of them they die there. Some of them not even they come out again. But people want thief trillions. Then they go free because APC and PDP then be one political party. That is why they say there is no serious consequences on all these crimes when these people that they commit. Then they go in for it because there be one people, APC and PDP body, one body, one tree. When we say if you cut the branches of one of the branches of the tree, you don't want APC and PDP with that. Not only PDP you want to, then be one tree. That is why you see somebody like me now, a lot of them they go scot-free. That's why you see some cases where they embezzle trillions, they send them back home. They know they do them anything. That is why you see say EFCC, they very weak because nobody is handling anything in that country. No president in the seat of power. Obaseki don't run go back PDP. But tomorrow they go tell us say, oh, PDP and APC, then they fight to war, big fight, big war. APC Atiku Abubakar, they fight Buhari, they fight Atiku Abubakar. For where you see that one? I don't tell them, I say, they love themselves. That is why, if they commit crime, all of them, they go scot-free. But you want go thief Akara, you go 100 years imprisonment. But all you want go thief 60-something billion, and those northerners, when be governors and former ministers and former senators, when all of them don't hold big positions, when they don't take all our money, all of them go scot-free because they are one. But you when go thief Akara, you get penalty. Penalty when they're supposed to give somebody when thief trillions. Now they will go give somebody when thief Akara. Now you go serve for somebody when thief trillion in Nigeria. Tell us once again about this same Hush Puppy. When all of them they talk say Hush Puppy na criminal, Hush Puppy na is Instagram thief, Hush Puppy na Yahoo man, own na Yahoo pass Hush Puppy own. Because now for our Kuro eye, last year here, when they catch Bola Tinubu with 3 billion van in his home, fully loaded with hard currencies. Till today, nobody broke Tinubu. Somebody when they go carry public money, just exactly the same thing when they claim say Hush Puppy do. Now him, in fact, all of them they do pass Hush Puppy. So Obaseki down the camp and PDP then take Obaseki. See Obaseki na their man. Na so na tumbu one and in trouble full. Now the thing whether they do in APC and PDP. Once again, that is why she say if they commit all these big crimes, then they go in for it. If you get anything when you want regarding this Obaseki matter, you can right here. I say goodbye to everybody. So now, one love.